welcome back to Colorado channel. This is Tina. Nice to see you all again. How much you know about the socks? If you still think the socks are all about the boring solid color or the dull stripes, then you are seriously missing out. As of today, the sock can be really printed like a photo on demand, right when you want it. And we're not talking about those clunky old machines from the traditional textile mills. And this new sock printer are totally flipping the script, moving the manufacturing from mass production to the instant personalized creation. There are two main tech paths here in this space. One is the physical knitting, working with yarns, and the other is chemical coloring, printing direct on the surface of fabric. But the real game changing here, digital printing. Here's how it works. You take a plain white sock and print directly onto it. 360 degrees, seamless, no gap. No need to expensive plate or screen make it. You can order just one pair if you want. And the ink usage? So tiny that the material cost is almost nothing. So why do we even need it? Because the OA is painful. Think about it. Piles of unsold stock, super limited color choices, and if a designer wants to change a color, good luck. That takes half a month. Meanwhile, today's consumers want a small batch, fast turnaround orders, and they want unique designs for every single person. On the AI front, Colorado already leading the pack. Our machine comes with an AI visual positioning system that precisely detects the colors and automatically avoid printed area, which opens up a tons of new designs possibilities for socks. And the workflow is easy and smooth, like from AI-generated design to the actual production. Just load up your artwork and hit print, then you're done. This is manufacturing turning into smart manufacturing, and the digital journey for socks has only just begun. So, are you ready to jump in? Come and experience it for yourself with Colorado Digital Sock Printer. Let's make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe us, follow us. This is Tina. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.